Removing the background from a video in Canva is easy and can be done with a single click. The issue is that if you want to use this feature, you need to have a paid Pro Canva plan. Hey everyone, and welcome to Graphics Grow, a place where you will learn more about how to use popular tools like Canva, Photoshop or Photopea. And in this video, I will show you how to remove a background from a video in Canva. So, open Canva on your computer. Then, click on Create a Design on the top right of the screen. In the next step, choose Video as your design type. Now, upload your video. You can do this by clicking Uploads on the left side and then Upload Files. Or, you can use any video from Canva stock video library. Once you have the video, drag it onto the canvas. Now, click on your video and look for Edit Video in the top left of the screen. Click on it. Here, find the Background Remover tool. It's under Tools and click on it. Now, just wait for Canva to work its magic. This might take a minute. Once done, your video background is now gone. That's it. You have removed your video background. This remover is pretty good if you are using simple videos with one color as a background. However, for more complex videos, it doesn't work as well. The good news is that this is a new technology and we will definitely see more improvements in the near future. So, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more video tricks in Canva, watch the next video and subscribe to the channel.